Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam too many retries. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type Microsoft Store, click on open it. In search you just need to type hotspot shield. Yes, VPN. Press enter. Select the hotspot shield VPN. Select the install option and install this VPN. After getting installed, and you just need to open the VPN. After opening it, select this back arrow option and select the connect option. After getting connected, now you can log in to Steam without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.